So it's Wednesday afternoon, April 4th, and the cold front's coming through Montreal, Brossard. We're being hit by winds sustained over 60 kilometers an hour, gusting to 80, even 90 kilometers an hour. You can even see how rough the water is. As I listen to a song by King Crimson, I talk to the wind, but the wind does not hear. I'm on the outside, yes. No, actually, I'm on the inside looking outside. If I was outside, you'd hear the howling of the wind big time. You can see the branches moving because of the wind. It's a powerful wind. Mother Nature is powerful. The wind is powerful. Check out this tree, how it's shaking. The whole tree is shaking. The wind is fierce. The wind cannot hear. Amazing, amazing power. You see the waves on the lake, actually on the river. It is actually white, what do you call it? When it's very heavy windy, you can see the white waves. That's because the wind is whipping up the water when you see the white stuff. And the temperature is going to be dropping to -9 overnight. But with the wind chill factor, it should be closer to about -18. For April 4th, give me a break. It's spring. This isn't supposed to happen. I think the weather is totally effed up. Anyway, it is what it is. You can't change the weather. The only thing you can do is change yourself if you feel you need to be changed. Otherwise, stay status quo. Be happy.